Hey everyone, Brickart back with another review, and today we have the House of Marley Positive Vibration 2 wireless headphones. If you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button, it takes only a few seconds and it helps our ever-growing channel. Also click the bell icon to be notified when our new videos get released. Now let's get back into the product. The box itself has nothing too special. In the front there is a magnetic door to reveal the headphones. There is also a reference to the FSC certified hood, the aluminum body, the built-in microphone and 12 hours of battery. On the back we have all the details and features about the headphones. One thing that caught my attention was the message on the side of the box, saying that the purchase of this product will help to plant one tree. These headphones have a unique design. They are clean and stylish. The 40mm ear cups are made out of a soft leather wrap material. Inside the ear cups themselves, you see the Marley text proudly placed. The headband is made of a material similar to denim. They call it rewind fabric. They are extremely smooth to adjust. We don't feel any type of click. It's all very smooth. The solution founded by House of Marley for the hinges that allow these headphones to be folded in for portability are not the best ones. If you have, for example, the headphones adjusted for the smallest size, the hinges are prominent and can be easily attached to other objects. On the left side, we have the 3.5mm removable headphone jack. The 3.5mm cable has a built-in microphone and a dedicated button. On the other ear cup, we have the micro USB charging port. It takes around 2.5 hours to fully charge. My experience with these headphones was pretty positive. The sound quality is pretty amazing for headphones of this price range. They are pretty punchy and they also isolate you pretty well from the environment sound. In terms of comparison, the Sony SW1000XM2, which costs more than 4 times the value of these ones, could not deliver a measurable better sound quality. The battery turned out to be a big surprise. I was able to use them the entire week, with an average of 3 to 4 hours a day without charging them. It seems to be that the 12 hours battery declared by the House of Marley were poorly optimistic. In conclusion, they are amazing. I will definitely recommend this to anyone who is looking to buy a new pair of headphones without spending too much. I leave a link in the description for whoever is interested. They are on sale at Amazon for $69. If you enjoyed watching as much I enjoyed making this review, hit that like button and leave a comment below. This is Brickart and I will see you on my next video. See you!